Want to get stronger, healthier, and more flexible? Then you need to know these 3 essential types of exercise that every fitness expert recommends.
Open your CapCut and go to the AI Avatar tab. Search for an avatar without a background. Finally, we find it. Download it and click on Next. On Next page, you can upload an audio file, or you have option to write a script for audio. This process will take some credits to generate an audio file. Audio is generated, so let's play it.
Want to get stronger, healthier, and more flexible? Then you need to know.
Increase the scale of avatar. Go to the media and add background for avatar. Place it under the generated file and stretch it to the end of the clip. The avatar is moving, so let's animate the background according to avatar's movement. Place the playhead at the beginning of the clip and increase the scale of background to 150% and add a keyframe here. For last keyframe, move the playhead to the end of the clip and decrease the scale to 100%.
Want to get stronger, healthier, and more flexible? Then you need to know.
Now let's create a glass effect. I have these 3 objects for the creation of glass effect. I will upload the link of these assets in description. I'm gonna use this one. Add it to the timeline and stretch it to the end of the clips. For this glass, add video to the timeline. Decrease its scale and place it inside the glass. Go to the mask options and apply a rectangle mask. Cover the area of the video and then round the corners of the video by dragging its slider a bit. After this, add text on this clip and type your desired text in the text box. I added a video of push-ups, so I used ChatGPT for its description. Adjust the text for the glass. I'm changing the color of the text. Now select text, push up video and the glass, and create a compound clip. Decrease its scale a bit, and then apply a slide-up animation to it.
Want to get stronger, healthier, and more flexible? Then you need to know these 3 essential types of exercise that every fitness expert recommends.